What's the meaning of bed covers? Bed covers. Bed covers.
Bed covers. Bed covers. Bed covers refer to any material that is used to cover a bed, including sheets, blankets, and comforters. They play an important role in bedding as they help keep the sleeping area clean and comfortable while also providing a layer of warmth and protection from the elements. Bed covers come in different sizes and materials depending on personal preferences, climate, and budget. For instance, some people prefer cotton or linen sheets in warm weather, while others opt for flannel or fleece in colder seasons. Similarly, comforters filled with down or synthetic materials are popular choices for added warmth in winter. Ultimately, the choice of bed covers depends on individual needs and tastes.